You're watching Theme Park Screamers. This is my room here at the Sequoia Lodge at Disneyland Paris. I've come in through this door using my magic pass, which has actually got my name on it. But yes, very cool and very exciting. Here's a shot of my room and what I've got. Then I come in through the main door to the left hand side. I have got a bathroom. There's me. Hello. I'm just a bit sweaty, guys. Yeah, do apologise. In here I have toilet, bathroom, complete with Disney soap that was coming home with me, shampoo on the wall, shower, plenty of towels, which is fantastic. Over here I have a wardrobe, very big space, safe. I won't be using that unless I really have to. Might use it, don't know. If I do. Come into my bedroom, two big double beds. That's mine. There's Jakey's. We've got Disneyland Paris TV on telly, showing much like the 20th anniversary. 3 drawers, plenty useful. Little socket there, which I have used power bar on. Little desk area with some glasses, light, window, and I've got a big view actually, I'd say. So yeah, really happy about that. And of course, phone with a desk and some switches and all lights. Yeah, very quick room tour from me. I do like the fact this is only the second time staying in this hotel actually. First one in my building, so pretty happy about that. I'm gonna get myself unpacked. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Some of you guys I know haven't. And stay tuned for more Disney content. Links in the playlist down there somewhere. Bye.